Hey man, how's it going?
Oh, pretty good.
Got you there.
Oh, coming through with the goods. Cheers,
Hell
man.
yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, I haven't seen this one in a while.
Yeah, so I'm going to get this one going again for summer.
Yep.
This is the ITB 4H16 valve setup. Pretty mint, eh?
I do love it.
Yeah. Look at those custom stacks. Yeah.
We had so much fun tuning this one.
Oh, yeah, this is a bit of a journey. We should actually do a bit of a walk around of this one later on in the series, eh?
Once it's up and running, yeah.
Yeah, I should be. I'll definitely go for summer.
Sweet.
It'd be nice to have them all out, eh? Yeah.
But in the meantime, I think we've got another one that needs a bit more work than this one.
Yeah, man. So I'll just finish up here.
Sweet.
And yeah, we'll
Get into it.
go and do some more prep, eh?
No.
Yay. Nah, let's do it. All right.
Sweet.
Yeah, I'll be there in a second. What's the plan, Renan?
I'm going to finish my coffee.
Okay.
And after I've woken up, I'm going to do the task that no one likes to do. Cleaning the engine bay.
Oh, yeah.
So I'll get it all nice and sanded, take away all the existing paint from the inside, get a nice wee surface, put on a edge primer just to get it to adhere nicely to the metal, and that'll give us a nice base to put on a seam sealer.
Mm-hmm. Because I'm organised, I've prepared some of the products earlier so we can just get into it, record without having to take off and muck around. All right, well, while you work in the engine bay,
Yep. What are you going to be tackling?
I'm going to do some more inside work prep. I want to get this boot sort of tidied up a little bit.
Yep.
And ideally some edge primer on that also today.
Sweet.
Stop some of this rust and everything coming through. So I suppose, let's do it.
Let's get to it.
You good?
Yeah. I'm alive. Good. Well.
It's enjoyable. But the bigger pictures will be rewarding. Especially since the boot's going to be painted. At least this will make it look half decent.
True.
You know, it's hard. It's hard going, but
It's all going to be worth it.
it will be. It will be, since the roll cage. It's just that I wish it didn't have this black tar.
I just wish they hadn't painted the engine bay. Like, because the issue is, because they painted the engine bay, all the, like, rust from the bottom is, like, bubbling through that. So I've got to, like, take off that top layer of paint, then take off that bottom layer of paint, and then, like, sand it all down, take off all the rust, and then pretty much feather it out.
There's a lot more prep involved, eh?
But it's either do it now or you paint over it and then it just makes it worse in a few years' time.
And you could drop the engine back out and do it all again.
Exactly, so you might as well spend the time, do it once, do it properly.
Yeah. Yeah. And really, there's only like a couple of months of prep. But that's, when I say a couple of months, it's only weekends,
Yeah, exactly.
you know? So,
Like, we're only doing this, what, every second weekend, if
Yeah.
we've got time.
yeah, exactly. So,
It's a hobby.
yeah.
For us, we don't do this full time, so.
But this stage, for anyone that's done a project, it's horrible.
Oh,
Let's face it. It's dusty, dirty, noisy, and boring.
yeah, the neighbours probably love us.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they probably think we're cutting a car up or something.
Andy's Chop Shop.
Yeah, that's exactly right. But I tell you what, it'd be nice to get that sort of scuffed up.
Yeah,
I'm not doing that because it's covered.
exactly.
That one there's not really covered. Oh, they'll come just to the top. Do I have those pieces? No, I don't think there's anything for the boot. But that just says sanding.
Yeah, so pretty much just coming up to here.
Yeah, yeah. But we'll end up spraying most of it anyway.
Yeah.
We'll just spray across there,
Yeah.
down here. I'm just going to tape along there, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then that'll all be...
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I'm thinking this is just hand sand up.
Yeah.
I think so. Same with down there. Most of that would be hand sanded. It's not horrific. I just want to get rid of those sorts of seams.
Just those paint seams where they have
Yeah.
that previous coating and shit.
Soften it a bit. This is full of that black shit. Yeah, this bay sucks. I'll get that underway. And then now fucking look at this piece.
That's why it's almost tempting just to like buy
Cut
a
it up.
$50.
Oh, sorry.
Not quite. So how'd you get on, mate?
Pretty good. Yeah, so we've taken off most of the rubbishy sort of stuff that was on the top, that black tar. So we're just going to seal it up until we come back and have another hit at it again and just tidy it up again from here.
Big jobs.
It's been a very big day. It's fair to say I'm tired.
Yep.
I'm about done for today, guys.
It's been a day.
Yeah, it's been a big day. I'm pretty happy with what we got done. A lot of prep in the engine bay and in the boot, removing all of that black nasty stuff, and Brennan's been busy.
Yeah, so the engine bay is all edge primered up, so now we actually know what's happening there. We can start putting seam sealer, tidying it all up.
I mean, it's definitely exciting.
Is it?
It is. It is, and it isn't. I mean, it's exciting because we've got another day of progress.
Yeah,
And,
exactly.
Yeah,
Like-
and that means we're one day closer to laying some colour down. And I think when we do that, we'll both be really,
Oh, I can't wait.
yeah, it'll be like, quick, get all the parts we're missing.
The thing is, what are we going to nickname the car?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah,
Anyone got some suggestions?
but they don't know the colour.
But they do. Or don't they? Now I don't know the colour. What's it? Oh, heck, okay.
Wow. Dropping a subtle hint.
It can still...
Think of initial D,
Oh, yes.
but not the car you're thinking of.
Okay. And it will definitely need a nickname. I mean, all of the other cars have one.
We've got race car, Akina,
Yeah, Patsy.
Patsy.
Yeah. Yeah,
Big Bird.
definitely. Big Bird. Definitely keen for some feedback. Even if it's not colour-related nickname, it'd be kind of still cool to have a nickname for it.
At the moment, it's just Project Trueno.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the silver one's not called Silver Trueno. So, I mean, colour aside, what's a cool name that this one could go by? But yeah, that probably brings us to the end of this episode, guys. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want to see some more stuff, anything in particular, got some advice, and yeah, we'll endeavour to reply to everyone.
Sweet. Catch you guys in the next one.
Cheers, guys.
Whose stupid idea was it to build a project car?
Don't know, but I painted the guard. What do you reckon?
You can't give the colour away.
Look
Or is
how
it?
good that looks. And there's some spaces.
You know what it is? You know what it is, Andy? What's our catchphrase?
It's quick
Quick
release.
release.
Cool.